Just about to cancel because he started. He came out of the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Anybody in the car?
They all took off running.
It starts as a routine traffic stop, but within minutes, everything completely falls apart. A stolen vehicle is spotted on the road with a fictitious plate. Officers immediately move in. The driver notices them right away. No hesitation, no compliance, just acceleration. Speeds hit 50 miles per hour, then 75 and climbing fast. The vehicle is weaving through traffic, splitting lanes, ignoring every command to stop. Officers call it out over the radio. This is no longer a simple stop. This is a full pursuit, and it is escalating fast. Traffic is light, but the suspect is driving like none of that matters. Still northbound, still fleeing, still pushing the vehicle harder. Then the situation shifts again. The suspect begins reckless maneuvers through traffic, forcing officers to adjust their units in real time. And then it happens. A crash. A violent, high-impact collision that changes everything instantly. Crash out. I need medics. They hit somebody. The radio traffic becomes urgent. Multiple units respond at once. And what they find is devastating. 2 pedestrians have been struck. 1 vehicle is completely destroyed. And victims are scattered across the scene. Officers arrive within seconds. 1 person is trapped. 2 are down. And everything is now about survival. Get medics here now. The scene turns critical immediately. Officers rush in without hesitation. 1 begins CPR. Another clears space. Another calls for additional units and medical support. A victim is not breathing. Compressions begin on the roadside. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Family members arrive at the scene shortly after. What they see breaks them instantly. Screaming. Shout. Confusion.
Need a stretcher bad.
Okay, well, we're on the fire truck, so you don't have to stretch.
She just started breathing again.
She just started
breathing
breathing again.
Breathing. I did compression.
Thank you so much.
Can you take him somewhere, please?
Yeah, come here, sir.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on. Give me a second.
Okay.
They came from the plant from
So
the corner.
I lit him up. That plate comes back to something else. I was calling the pursuit out, and I was just about to cancel because he started. He came out of the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Anybody in the car?
They all took off running. I watched him hit both of these girls. They went in the air, and they're dead. I tried compression.
You got a dog coming?
I can ask him for one. Do you want me to call for a dog to get these tracked?
I'm not worried about the dog right now.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. Can you guys help out responding to find? They ran in that backyard. He's got tattoos.
I'll call for a dog.
They're running.
I don't know if we'll get one, but
He's got a white t-shirt and tattoos.
white man?
Well, he could be Hispanic.
How far do we want to go in this without the dog? If we got a dog, we don't want to get on the tracks.
Yeah. If you guys want to just create a perimeter for now.
But probably need some more cars.
Who's this? Where did they come from?
We were walking with them.
They're all
Me and him were behind them, and that car just slammed that other car, and me and him just were right at the right angle where they missed us. Oh, mother of God! Oh my God! What happened with the car?
They all ran. We're trying to get a dog to track him down.
Oh my God! How am I gonna? Can I get the ambulance with her?
Hold on.
Cell phone.
Okay, hold on. Let me talk to them. I don't think they're gonna let you ride with them. Your 2 that are gone were walking, and my car I was chasing hit them and hit them in the air.
Okay.
That's husband. That's husband. They're all family.
Okay, so all from one vehicle, though?
No, they were walking.
Oh, they were walking and got hit?
Yes.
Okay.
These are my people that ran.
What's that?
These are my people that ran. There was a dog in the car. I don't want too much scent contamination because I'm calling.
Point me down.
Hey, I don't want anyone near that car. There's a meth pipe on the ground that fell out when they jumped.
Okay. All right.
I'll hold this until we get word on the dog.
Okay. I stopped it because it comes back
Hey,
to another.
are you good? Are you good? It's all right. It's all right. Okay? It's all right. It'll be okay. Okay. It's all right. It's okay.
Man, I tried to save her.
It's all right. Try to keep it together. If not, I understand if you need to walk away for a minute. Walk away, okay?
I knew it was a car. Like, I knew it soon.
Need to take a minute?
I'm alright. I'm alright.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm okay. Which one of you saw it?
We actually did.
Okay.
As soon as I heard it hit, I ran out here.
I was trying to get the ring.
It didn't come up.
It didn't show.
I saw the poor people walking by our house because the dogs were barking and my girls were outside. They were out for a walk with their family.
I was just trying to take a bad guy off the street.
That bastard ran. Does this man need anything? Can we take him anywhere?
You're more than welcome to talk to him.
I was allowed to walk because I'm sure it's a crime scene.
Yeah, if I will send him up this way.
Take him wherever he has
Please
something.
stay out of that yard entirely. I've called for a canine, but there's drugs over there. There's
No, we
just
won't-
please stay away from it.
we won't go anywhere. Did you tell our neighbors I can message them?
If you can message them, please stay in their house. Stay away from the windows. You guys as well. Don't come off the porch. I need to get them.
Nope, that's fine. Thank you.
Sir. The lady on the porch said that she will help you guys with whatever you need. Okay, a ride, anything you need. Are you trying to look for your phone now?
Yes,
Okay, you said it's a red case.
the red case.
If you guys want to go sit up with them, I will look for your phone.
This is a mess.
Officers are still working, trying to stabilize the situation while everything around them collapses emotionally. Please God, the intensity of the moment is overwhelming. But the officers cannot stop. They continue compressions. They continue treatment. They continue fighting for life. Stay with us, come on. Keep breathing. Then a breakthrough. A victim briefly shows signs of breathing again. But the situation is still critical. Medics arrive and take over immediately. Stretchers are deployed. Patients are rushed to ambulances. And the full scope of the incident begins to unfold. The suspect vehicle is still at large at this point, but officers are already piecing together what happened. Witnesses confirm the same story. A high-speed vehicle, no control, and pedestrians struck with no warning. One witness describes it as seeing people go airborne from the impact. Meanwhile, officers begin tracking the suspects. A perimeter is established. Canines are requested, and the search begins. But it doesn't take long. The suspect vehicle is linked to other criminal activity, and additional evidence begins to surface at the crash scene. Drugs are found, including paraphernalia linked to methamphetamine use. The investigation is now expanding far beyond a simple pursuit. Back at the scene, emotions are still high. One officer steps away for a moment, visibly affected. I try to save her. The weight of what just happened is clear. But the operation is still active. The suspects are still on the run, and officers are still searching. Canines are deployed into nearby areas. The scent is picked up quickly, through backyards, around structures, and into dense cover. Then the call comes in. Contact. One suspect is located and taken into custody after a brief struggle. Another is found nearby shortly after. Both are secured, but the consequences of the crash are already irreversible.
The canine starting to search it.
He's around the street somewhere. There's a red bar on his backside.
Swing this way.
Yep.
Hey, get down!
Get out! Get out now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Face down! Down! Face down! Face down! Lie down!
Gotcha.
Can move, Hill Street. You understand me? Inglewood 311, got them both secured.
That's a good boy, honey.
311, I need another unit for evidence collection. Knees to your chest. Sit up. Stand up.
Right there, don't move.
Grab my money, please.
Oh, I know who you are. Knees up. Stand up. Yep, pull my pants up, sir.
You grab my money, please. Money. Please. Will you grab my money right there?
You're both under arrest and going to the car.
What the? For what?
Under arrest.
For what? Hell no. Man, hell no.
It's crazy.
For what? What are we being arrested for?
Leave them here with me.
She said we're
Get your car. Come up and put them out. What's back here in the?
I took everything out of their pockets and then...
She said we're being arrested.
I think there's a bag of some stuff over there.
Yeah, because they had a meth pipe outside their car, so I'm sure they threw the...
Under that board.
You got
Go ahead
them?
and get your car, yeah.
1635.
Good job. Sorry if I walked in front
Greatest
of you.
feeling in the world. I needed this. To see something like that, I needed this one. Thank you very much.
Please help me.
Inglewood 311. I need some assistance out back.
She's out there.
They're hyperventilating now. I didn't tell them that they killed 2 people. Now they're playing games. There's meth pipe in the car. The car is stolen. Comes back to something else. That's why I lit it up. The one has a 35. Now we're playing games.
Come on.
He just...
Yeah, come on inside so we can help you, man. You're good. You got medics in the car. Stand up. Stand up. See if that other guy's alive.
Inglewood 311. I need a medic. They said they ingested meth.
Hey, bud. Stand up. Stand up. You good? Just sit up. Just sit up. Just need you to sit up. Your shoulders broke? All right, just sit right there. Just don't lean over like that. Keep yourself breathing.
They're both
Do
from
you want to go to the
that.
hospital? Do you want to go to the hospital? Hey, wake up. Sit up here. Give me an 18. I'm going to give you an IV, and you're going to get some Narcan to get rid of that fentanyl you accidentally took. Straighten out. Dude, straighten out.
Right,
Don't do
but
that.
I'm telling you, I don't want none.
Well, it's not up to you because you keep passing out, so we're not going to do
I'm
that.
not passing out.
Yeah, you are. Put your arm out here.
Did you get my money?
Man, look at that. You're awake.
Seriously, what you're going to ask
That
me
quick.
right now.
That's the only thing.
How much fentanyl did you take?
Do you want this on? It's on.
You get a break.
5 people in total are transported to the hospital. 2 of the victims were pedestrians out walking with family. 1 later succumbs to her injuries. The others survive, some with serious trauma. Investigators confirm the driver was under the influence of multiple substances, including methamphetamine and fentanyl. The charges begin stacking immediately. Vehicular manslaughter, DUI causing death, hit and run, failure to stop, and multiple felony counts tied to reckless endangerment. The second suspect is also charged in connection to the incident. What began as a simple traffic stop turned into a deadly chain reaction that changed multiple families forever. And it all happened in minutes. If you watch content like this, don't leave yet. Because every week, another case just like this comes out, and the next one is even more shocking. Make sure you're subscribed, because once you see what happens next, you won't want to miss another one.